Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're spotlighting what might just be the best Chelsea boots for men, the Ferro Aldo Sterling MFA 606325. These slip-on leather-style ankle boots have been making waves for their design, durability, and unbeatable value, and we're diving into every detail to show you why they deserve your attention. These boots hit the sweet spot between fashion and function. Their silhouette is instantly recognizable, a burnished Chelsea design with a capped toe front that adds structure and character. These are mid-top boots that sit just above the ankle, giving a refined and versatile look that works with jeans, chinos, or even slim-fit trousers. Now, let's talk craftsmanship. These boots are made using top-tier handcrafted synthetic leather. While it's not genuine leather, it's designed to mimic the feel and look, and it comes with some clear advantages. First, it's water-resistant. That means sudden rain won't ruin your day or your shoes. Second, the material is surprisingly breathable, which makes it a smart pick if you're wearing them all day long, whether in warm or cooler climates. One standout feature is the reinforced heel spine. It's not just for looks. This design adds extra stability to the boot, helping to keep its shape and prevent sagging over time. That kind of long-term durability is something we don't often see at this price point. The boots feature cross-stitched elastic panels on the sides, making them true slip-ons. No zippers, no laces, just a smooth slide onto your foot, and you're out the door. That convenience, paired with the polished exterior, means these boots can switch gears from business casual meetings to weekend outings without missing a beat. Underfoot, the comfort story continues. The sole is built with a 3-layered synthetic structure that gives you a balanced combo of impact resistance and flexibility. Whether you're walking city blocks or standing for hours, that cushioning makes a big difference. And the rubber sole adds excellent traction, which means fewer slips, more grip, even on slick surfaces. The padded interior is another thoughtful touch. It wraps your foot comfortably, reducing pressure points and creating a snug, secure fit. That's ideal if you're wearing them for extended hours, whether at work or out with friends. Now, sizing is important here. Ferro Aldo suggests that these run about half a size smaller than standard shoes. So, if you're typically a size 10, you might want to go for a 10.5 for the best fit. And they've got a wide range too, from 6.5 all the way up to 14, so most men should find their match. From classic brown to sleek black and other muted tones, they've covered all the bases for different wardrobe styles. You're getting a handcrafted finish, water resistance, solid comfort, and a modern profile, all without breaking the bank. We think it just might be, especially if you're looking for style, comfort, and durability at a price that makes sense. That wraps up our breakdown on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or your own experience with the Sterling boots in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time with more in-depth reviews right here on Product Critique.